If you're paying $500 to $700 a month for a live answering service, this video might either save you a lot of money or help you make a lot more. Today, I'm comparing human answering services like Posh versus what a properly built AI agent should be doing in moving company. I'll use my company as an example, but this is not about me. This is a checklist for what a good AI should look like anywhere. First, credit where it's due. Services like Posh are not bad. They answer inbound calls, they sound professional, they follow a script, they can log notes into your CRM. That's already put you ahead of companies that miss calls completely. And if your phone rings and no one answers, you lose money. Period. So yeah, human receptionist solve one problem. Someone picks up the phone. But that's where comparison just starts. Let's talk about cost. Human answering services charge based on usage. More calls, higher bill. Busy season, higher bill. Company grow, higher bill. So your success literally make the service more expensive. That model makes sense for humans because humans scale with time, but not for AI. A good AI agent doesn't care if it handles 10, 100 or 1,000 calls. The cost stays the same. One model penalizes growth, the other is built for you. Human services answer calls that come in. They wait. A good AI agent doesn't wait. It responds instantly to inbound leads. It follows up when someone fill out the form in your website in 30 seconds. Not in 10 minutes. Not when someone is available. Immediately. And in moving, speed is not a feature. Speed is revenue. So whoever calls first usually wins. AI doesn't forget. It doesn't get distracted. It executes rules. So yes, human services like Posh can log notes into your CRM. That's helpful. But here's the difference. Notes are passive. A good AI setup is operational. Because a real AI agent doesn't just record what happened. It moves the process forward automatically. Here's what that means in real life. It can create a new lead in your CRM the moment the conversation happens. It can trigger the next follow-up steps based on what the customer said. It can send the right SMS or email instantly with the right message at the right time. And it can trigger outbound calls directly from CRM. So you're not relying on someone to remember to call later. So instead of your team reading notes and figuring out the next step, the AI already executed the next step. And that's the shift. From someone answered and typed summary to the system captured it, responded, and pushed the lead forward. And when you combine that with speed, it gets even more powerful. Because now you are not just fast, you are fast and confident. Let's talk about memory. This is where AI pulls ahead completely. A properly built AI agent has memory. Not just call logs. It's context. It remembers previous conversations, objections, preference, personal details. So when it calls a lead 2 weeks later, it can say, "Last time we spoke, you mentioned moving after your dog recovered. How he's doing, by the way?" That doesn't feel automated. That feels intentional. Humans forget, teams changed, notes get skipped. AI doesn't. Every external human service has a hidden cost. Training. You teach them your workflow, your CRM, your rules, your edge cases, then someone leaves or gets sick or a new person joins, and you start over. AI gets trained once. Same script, same logic, same tone, every single time. No bad days, no shortcuts, no drift. So inbound is not enough. One more thing. Human answering services are inbound only. They wait for the phone to ring. A good AI agent is proactive. It does follow-ups, database reactivation, post-move check-in, review requests, and warm transfers. So it doesn't just answer the phone, it works the pipeline. And here what I want you to remember. Humans are great at conversation, but humans don't scale like a software. So if your growth requires more people, more training, more handoffs, and more rooms for mistakes, you will eventually hit the ceiling. A good AI agent is different. It doesn't just answer calls. It remembers past conversations. It updates the CRM in real time. It follows up automatically. It executes the same playbook perfectly every time. No bad days, no turnover, no someone forgot. So if you're building a moving company you actually want to scale, don't build a business that depends on everyone being perfect. Build a business where the system is perfect. That's the real difference between someone picking up the phone and a system that turns calls, follow-ups, and conversations into booked jobs consistently.